This is the final video to fix the file system error -10737411515 in Windows. And if you're also facing this problem, stay with me because I'm going to share every simple way to solve it. I'm from Rexicht, and I want to make sure you can fix this without confusion. This error normally appears when you try to open apps or system tools, and it happens because system files get damaged, permissions break, or Windows updates don't install correctly. You may see many guides on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them are complicated and hard to follow. When I faced this problem, I fixed it with one easy trick, and I'll share all the working methods with you. First, restart your PC. Sometimes Windows reloads important files during a reboot, and the error disappears. If not, open Command Prompt as admin and run sfc/scan now. After that, run dism/restoreelf. These two commands repair corrupted system files that usually cause this error. Next, check if your user account is the problem. Create a new local account from settings and try opening the same apps there. If they work, your main profile has damaged permissions. Also, uninstall any recent Windows update that may have broken system files. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and view Update History. If the error appears when opening the Microsoft Store or other apps, try resetting them from the Apps section in Settings. I solved this error with a simple repair method, and if you want me to make a full step-by-step tutorial on that, comment below.